Hey there, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Chuckles. Today we're diving into the deep sea of flavor with a recipe that's going to make your taste buds do the tango. Get ready because we are making tilapia fish stew and we're doing it with a twist of fried onions and tomatoes. Oh yeah, it's gonna be fantastic. We've got our star of the show, tilapia fish, but hold your scales because we are not stopping here. We are adding some sizzling onions and tomatoes to the mix, turning this into a culinary extravaganza. But before the party starts, here's a little trick. After scaling, wash the fish with bicarbonate of soda. It's like giving it a spa day before the big flash bash. Gentle wash the inside and the outside, rubbing in and removing all the dirty little things that are inside, and just give it a nice pat, and there we go. Now let's talk about the onions. They have been training for the flavor gym, getting ready for the big Friday night. In the hot pan they go. It's like a disco in there, but instead of a Saturday night fever, we've got fried onion fiesta. Shake it, onions, shake it. But we can't forget about the spice. Feel free to customize it according to your taste preferences. And now introducing the tomatoes. These juicy fellas are like backup dancers. They're here to add some color and keep the party popping. Now let's not forget about the underwater superstar, the tilapia. This fish is ready to take a dip in our flavor jacuzzi. Into the mix you go, my scaly friends. Swim in the sea of onions and tomatoes. It's like fishy pool party, but with the flavor and less chlorine. Give it a little stir like you're doing a salsa. This is where the magic happens, folks. The flavor are dancing together, creating a symphony of taste that will make your taste buds do the cha-cha. Let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes, allowing all those flavors to mingle and groove together. It's like a culinary dance party in the pot. This is where the magic happens, folks. The flavors are dancing together, creating a symphony of taste that will make your taste buds go do the cha-cha-cha-cha-cha-cha. Perfection. Our tilapia fish stew is ready to take a bow. It's like a Broadway show in a bowl, and you are the star of the dinner table. Thank you for joining another episode of the Cooking with Chuckles. Remember, life's too short for boring meals. Spice it up, dance with your food, and keep those taste buds grooving. Until next time, happy cooking!